The Yoruba alphabet was formalized by late Ajayi Crowther, and today it plays a key role in bringing the Qur'an closer to millions of Yoruba-speaking Muslims. Ajayi Crowther was born in Osugun, now Iseyin, 1809 and died 1891. He was a Yoruba linguist and bishop. He contributed to the translation of the Bible into Yoruba language, which was published in 1884. The Yoruba alphabet consists of 25 letters: A, B, D, E, E, F, G, G, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, S, T, U, W, and Y. It includes 7 vowels and 18 consonants. The letters E, O, and S are unique to Yoruba, featuring dots below the letters E, O, and S respectively. The digraph GB is also considered a single letter in the alphabet. The breakdown of the Yoruba alphabet, including vowels A, E, I, O, U, consonants B, D, F, G, GB, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, S, T, W. Y, letters not used, C, Q, V, X, and Z. As they do not represent sounds in the language, the Yoruba alphabet is an adaptation of the Latin alphabet used for writing the Yoruba language, which is spoken in Nigeria and Benin and other countries across the globe. This video is created by Dr.Daud Awwal for teaching and awareness purposes.